Because we've been talking about buyouts lately, I thought I would explain exactly what happens when one corporation with a stock on the stock market buys out another corporation with stock on the stock market. So if I make my own company, I get an LLC, and I start selling pillows on my website, I obviously don't have shares to sell, and I'm certainly not on the stock market. But if I get a bank to help me file an IPO, an initial public offering, then I can sell shares and have a stock on the stock market. So we're focusing on two corporations that both have stock on the stock market, and one is buying out the other. So let's say on the stock market, there is a stock called Alpha at $10 per share and a stock called Beta at $1 per share. If Alpha offers to buy out Beta at $5 per share, paid as half cash and half shares of Alpha, and Beta accepts, the share price of Beta will jump from $1 per share to $5 per share. Why? Because everyone knows those Beta shares are about to be traded for $5 worth of value each. So if it's below that, it's a guaranteed profit to buy it. So it gets bought, it gets to $5, and it just sits there for however many weeks it takes for the deal to close. When the deal closes, Beta disappears from the stock market, and everyone holding shares of Beta, whether it's an executive or a trader, gets their $2.50 cash and their $2.50 in the form of Alpha shares. So basically, every share of Beta turns into $2.50 buying power and 0.25 Alpha shares. It's simpler when the buyer offers purely cash. Like we talked about recently, Nano Dimension is offering $20.05 purely as cash to buy out SSYS. So if SSYS accepted, the share price would jump from $16 to about $20. Everyone would be guaranteed $4 per share profit. Anyone holding these 1750 call options, which only cost about $20 or $30, would be able to sell them at about $255. And after however many weeks, SSYS would be cashed out and disappear from the stock market, and only Nano Dimension would remain. It would probably dip at first because of the sacrifice of the payment, but go up in the long term probably as well.